Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin immediately by securing exactly 3 wool and 3 wooden planks. That's the only recipe you need. Once you have wool, make sure it's from shears or trades so you keep time efficient. Place and open a crafting table. You need the 3x3 grid. While opening the grid, arrange wood and wool next. Do this now rather than wandering. It saves night spawns and keeps your progress continuous. This gets you to the crafting pattern step without detours. With the crafting table open, place 3 wooden planks across the bottom row of the 3x3 grid, then put 3 wool across the middle row. You can match wool colors for aesthetics. The game combines them into one bed regardless of color. Once the bed appears, drag it into your inventory slot. Make sure to clear a quick path back to safety before you place it, because during placement, you can be interrupted. Crafting is immediate. The bed is now a placeable, respawn setting object. Place the bed by right-clicking on the chosen block. Note the head faces away from you, so orient it toward your base. Sleep at night or during storms to set your spawn point. You'll respawn at the bed unless it's obstructed. If the bed refuses to place, make sure the 2-block space is free and no liquid or non-solid blocks occupy it, and avoid protected regions where beds are blocked. Once placed and slept in, your bed acts as the only true respawn anchor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.